Good morning, everyone. Today we will learn about the accounting conventions. Accounting conventions. Last call already I didn't mention the accounting concept. Now let's start the accounting convention. Accounting convention is a accounting conventions is a customs and traditions. Accounting convention is a customs and traditions. Now, accounting conventions with the help of a preparing the practice of accountant and is the guiding. Accounting convention is a customs and traditions. Accounting conventions uses of a guide the preparation of financial statements. Clear? Accounting convention, simply accounting convention is a customs and traditions. Now accounting convention uses and guided by the preparations and presentation of the financial statement of the accounting. Now accounting conventions is a 5 types. First one, consistency. Second one, disclosure. Third one, prudency or conservatism. Fourth one, relevance. Last one, materiality or feasibility. This is the 5 types of the accounting conventions. Now first one, consistency. Second one, disclosure. Third one, prudency. Fourth one, relevance. Fifth one, materiality. Now first one, consistency. According to this convention, the emphasize the use of the accounting practices. According to this convention, the emphasis. According to these conventions, the emphasize the use of accounting practice. By the year after year, by the period after period. The use of accounting practices one year to another or one period to another. Clear? Consistency means according to this convention, the emphasis the use of accounting practices one period to another or 1 year to another. Clear? Now accounting practices is relevant, all relevant the information to the financial statement. Prepare financial statement. Now comparing to the one period to another period. One period to another period. Now the results disclosed. The result disclosure for the financial statement. Financial statement. The result disclosure for the financial statement one period to another. Clear? This is the consistency. Now finally, consistency is the emphasis the use of accounting practices. Now practices for the at the end of the business practices. Now 1 year to or one period to another. The result disclosure. Result is nothing but financial statement result. Financial statement is nothing but profit and loss account and balance sheet one period to another. Now small example. If a depreciation charged on fixed assets on the basis of written down value method, on the basis of written down value method. Written down value method are nothing but reducing balance method. Now example, if a depreciation charged on fixed asset, always depreciation charged on fixed assets on the basis of written down value method. Now same method year after year. Same method following the year after year. Okay, this is the consistency. If a depreciation charge on fixed asset on the basis of written down value method, same method follow the year after year. Consistency. Second one, disclosure. According to this convention, the relevant accounting information to the relevant or reliable information and time to time information providing to the shareholders, employees, creditors, government, etc. when they are interested parties into the business. When interested parties into the business. Clear? Disclosure. According to this convention, disclosed according to this convention, disclose the accounting or financial statement. Disclose the financial statement relevant or reliable to fairly or fully or fairly to time to time to the shareholders. Clear? This convention discloses the financial statement or financial information relevant and reliable to fully or partly or fairly to time to time to the shareholders. Time to time to the shareholders, creditors, employees, etc. When he interested the parties. Clear? This is the disclosure. Next, prudency. Next one, prudency. According to this concept, the financial statements or financial reports, depending upon the anticipating profit or not, or anticipating loss for the year, or anticipating loss for the find out the prudency. Clear? According to this concept, the financial statement and financial reports, the accountant should compulsory to the anticipated profit not, by possible only the anticipated losses. Losses. This is the prudency. Only anticipated losses. Clear? Anticipated losses, not anticipated profit. Now next, relevance. Relevance means according to this concept, according to these conventions or concepts, according to these concepts or conventions, it only be a reliable information. And it is a documentary evidence of the transaction. Documentary evidence transactions of the business. Clear? According to these conventions, documentary evidence of a transaction of the business, like purchase and sale of invoice and voucher, it is a documentary evidence of a transaction, is now relevance. Each and every accountant should maintain the books of accounts based upon the voucher recording into the books of accounts. It is a documentary evidence of the accounts. This is the relevance. Next, materiality. According to this convention, whether something should be disclosed, whether something should be explained, is not a financial statement. Now depends upon the materiality. Is now the materiality. Clear? Materiality simply whether something should be disclosed. Whether something should be disclosed. Whether something should be disclosed, not financial statement. Not financial statement of the business. Whether something should be disclosed, not financial statement of the business. Now whether depends upon the materiality. Whether depends upon the materiality of the business. Now materiality of the depending upon the business. Now this is the accounting convention. Now finally once again, consistency, disclosure, prudency, relevancy, materiality. Consistency in simply use of accounting practices one period to another, and finally result disclosed financial statement one period to another. And next, second one, disclosure. Disclosure is nothing but all the financial statement information relevant and reliable fully and fairly time to time to the shareholders, creditors, employees, etc. when he interested to the parties. Next, last one, third one, prudence is nothing but anticipated loss. Now, so relevance according to this convention, documentary evidence transaction of the business, purchase, sale, invoice, and etc. Voucher. Voucher is nothing but it is a proof of a transaction. And finally, materiality, something, whether something should be disclosed, not a financial statement of the business. Okay, this is the accounting convention.